bigger battery, a more potent electric motor, and a longer range for EVs will be added to the new Peugeot e-208 for 2023. The improvements donated by the new Peugeot e-308 are intended to keep the best-selling vehicle competitive with super mini rivals like the Vauxhall e-Corsa, Renault Zoe, and Mini Electric. When the new Peugeot e-208 is announced later this year, anybody seeking to buy or lease one should be able to place their order to ensure they got one of their first vehicles in the UK in 2023. 2023 Peugeot e-208 prices and release date. Prices for the revised new Peugeot e-208, which will start at slightly over £30,000, are anticipated to be comparable to those of the existing electric Peugeot when it debuts in dealerships in 2023. The new Peugeot e-208 will maintain the same trim hierarchy as the present model, starting with Active Premium Plus at the base and progressing through Allure Premium Plus, GT, and GT Premium. The Peugeot e-208 GT variants are luxurious substitutes for high-end EVs like the BMW i3. 2023 Peugeot e-208 styling, interior, and technology. Peugeot is not changing the exterior style of the attractive Peugeot e-208, keeping it clean and modern looking. This will aid in preserving the value of used Peugeot e-208s now on British roads. A 2020 vehicle can now be purchased for about £24,000. The 2023 Peugeot e-208 sports a striking front grille with a body color chevron design that is accented by eye-catching LED daytime running lights on either side of the bumper. The new Peugeot e-208 is equipped with a 16-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-efficiency, low rolling resistance A+ tires, and it has blue E badges on the C-pillars and tailgate. The popular Peugeot iCockpit interior design is still present. This includes a tiny steering wheel and an above the steering wheel widescreen full-color digital instrument display. A central touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto completes what Peugeot calls the head-up design. Conventional heating controls are absent from the Peugeot e-208, but quick access shortcut piano key buttons provide simple access to the controls and other crucial menus. The layout gives the e-208 a suitably upscale appearance, and the driver's display even has a highly eye-catching 3D option. The Peugeot e-208 center console has a drive toggle in place of a gear lever, and there is a button to select one of three driving modes: Eco, Regular, or Sport. They enable the driver to control the vehicle's range and provide various peak power outputs and reactions. The instrument displays also uses images in colors of various shades. The smartphone app My Peugeot is compatible with the Peugeot e-208. Due to this, owners may remotely speak with their vehicles and perform tasks such as scheduling a remote charge, checking the range and charging status, and even activating the temperature control to heat or cool the vehicle before they leave. The Peugeot Free2Move eSolution smartphone app, meanwhile, enables electric Peugeot e-208 drivers to schedule their trips around the available charging stations along their preferred route. 2023 Peugeot e-208 engines, performance, and fuel economy. The drivetrain from the newly released new Peugeot e-308 is installed in the new 2023 Peugeot e-208. With a 15% increase in power from 136 PS to 156 PS, the already quick acceleration time of 8.1 seconds should be further shaved. It is simple to drive around town because of the 2-pedal automatic gearbox and the seamless, silent-running electric engine. Additionally, enhancing driving range, it is integrated with the heat pump to make sure the climate control runs efficiently as possible. According to Peugeot, the heat pump performs best in colder weather, increasing the range by about 25 miles when driving in town at temperatures around 0 degrees Celsius. The 51 kWh battery in the new Peugeot e-208 is bigger and features a more effective high-voltage architecture. As a result, the overall driving range increases by 10% from 225 miles to an astonishing 248 miles, adding an additional 23 miles per charge. Peugeot claims that people who purchase or lease a new e-208 will be able to charge from a 100 kilowatt public rapid charger from 20% to 80% capacity in under 25 minutes with the optional 11 kilowatt fast charger. The Peugeot e-208 now uses only 12 kilowatt-hour of electricity per 62 miles, thanks to an increase in overall efficiency. People who have recently purchased or rented a Peugeot e-208 will notice the changes in the new 2023 model right away. Additionally, Peugeot has increased its driving range by about 18% and decreased energy usage by 15% since the e-208's introduction in 2019. If you now drive a Peugeot e-208, the increase in efficiency and range gives you a compelling reason to purchase or lease the new 2023 model. Is the Peugeot 208 a quality vehicle? Imagine how your family tree would look if every generation had a different last name. Things would get quite complicated very soon. Similar to this, Peugeot hasn't always used the same names for its little cars over the years, providing models ranging from a 104 to a 207. With the Peugeot 208, that has changed. Its second iteration receives a thorough overhaul both inside and out and is the first small car to offer diesel, gasoline, and pure electric options. Peugeot believes that those aesthetics and all of the available options will seduce you away from compact vehicles like Volkswagen Polo, Seat Ibiza, and Ford Fiesta. You might also be enticed because the 208 won the Car Wow Little Legend Award for 2019. The redesigned sculpted bonnet, 3-claw LED light patterns, sizable grille with chrome flecks, and prominent piano back trim on the rear offer the 208 an even more striking appearance than its predecessors and rivals. Things have improved inside as well, with Peugeot's now famous iCockpit dashboard design experiencing a noticeable improvement in quality. At the heart of it all is a 7.0-inch touchscreen entertainment system that comes standard with DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A 10.0-inch version of the same system with a built-in sat-nav is an option, or standard on GT variants. Although the little on-screen controls can be challenging to reliably press while driving, both screens have good resolution and are pretty easy to explore. The new 3D digital dials from Peugeot are certainly not to be criticized. They are a standard feature of Allure trim and are projected onto various levels to provide a three-dimensional impression and stunning visual appeal. But more significantly, they clearly display critical information and are customizable so you can decide what you want to view. It's more complicated in space. The front seats can easily accommodate 2 adults, and the driver has a ton of basic manual seat and wheel adjustments. If preferred, electric adjustment is available. Even though their heads are above the ceiling, adults in the back seats will find that their knees brush the backs of the front seats. In the end, a VW Polo can fit more passengers in the back. 3 different 1.2-liter gasoline engines, a 1.5-liter diesel, or a pure electric model are all available for the 208. The 100 horsepower 1.2 petrol, which is snappy yet smooth and will return more than 50 mpg if driven carefully, is the better option unless you're doing a lot of travel. However, the silent functioning of the pure electric e-208 makes it even more potent throughout the town and more relaxing if you have the money and the charging infrastructure. A Ford Fiesta is a better purchase if you really enjoy the way your tiny car makes you smile on a twisty B road. But for the majority, the way the 208 drives and eagerly changes direction will be more than enough. Less impressive is the way larger alloy wheel types handle city bumps. But you should definitely put the Peugeot 208 on your shopping list. It stands out for most tiny vehicles because it looks fantastic, has one of the greatest interiors of any small car, is reasonably priced, and offers the option of an excellent electric version. How practical is it? In the front, 2 adults will fit without a problem, but there is less room in the back. The boot on the 208 is typical in size for its class. In the end, it's uncommon to see compact cars with more than a few occupants. However, keep in mind that VW Polo will offer more room for passengers and luggage. So, what can you say about the 2023 Peugeot e-208? Do you find it worth buying? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video. Bye!